going to start out this video with a trip to the bus. Recently, we were in it, and my wife cleaned most of the bus out. She didn't get the ceiling or the floor. That's okay. I did a little bit of some trimming, putting up some furring strips. I used some self-tappers and getting it prepared for some R-board and some panels on it. So with a little bit of finagling, I've made some entryways for electricity so that we can route the electricals wherever we want to in the walls at any time. And I may show you that. But for now, here we are getting ready. Okay, somebody gave us this bed, but we're probably not going to use it. We're probably going to go with a whole nother setup. So we're going to open these windows. We're going to be building some screens for these ones. Oh, that's a nice breeze already. It's not even flowing across. That's awesome. Yep. Yeah, we only have 7 windows that actually do go down. Goes down. Okay. All right, we've got a couple lawn chairs in here. We can sit down if we need to.
Okay.
So, yes, it will cool off here quickly, I can tell, though, because it's really not that bad outside now that we waited until the sun's just about went down. And anyway, so yeah, we've cleaned up. She's cleaned up real good inside.
I haven't done the ceiling yet.
Gotta do the ceiling, gotta do the floor, but
that's the last.
yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on these walls some more here, and so these strips here, furring strips, are what were given to us by the previous owner, and the mattress, and so there is insulation in the walls. The aluminum was cut out. I don't know what was used to do it. He did this, that, and the other. And I went ahead and put some of the furring strips along here. And I've notched them at places so that we have a place for electricity to come through cables in different areas in case we need to run power for lights or anything. That's what we're going to do there. This is just the underlayment of everything. We've got more insulation to put on and the outer skin, which will be the wall, but we have to have a substructure, and that's what this is actually going to be. All the decorative stuff is going to be much later. So anyway, I guess we're just going to probably, you know, go get some foam and maybe take a few measurements or so. For right now, I guess I'm just going to head and say toodaloo, and we will see you on the next video.